Who of the following said, "Good government is no substitute for self-government"? A. Lokmanya Tilak. B. Swami Vivekanand. C. Swami Dayanand. D. Ravindranath Tagore. Ans. C. Who amongst the following first used the word Swaraj and accepted Hindi as the national language? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Swami Dayanand. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Ans. B. Arrange the following in chronological order. 1. Tulsidas. 2. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 3. Swami Vivekanand. 4. Dayanand Saraswati. Code. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 4, 3. C. 2, 1, 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4, 1. Ans. B. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? A. Atmaram Pandarang. B. Tilak. C. M. G. Chandrakar. D. M. G. Ranade UP. Ans. A. Identify the correct combination from the options given below for Prarthana Samaj. Young India, Lokahitavadi, Satyashodhak Samaj, Ranumi Mazdayasan Sabha. A. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Atmaram Pandarang, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jyotiba Phule, Nauroji Furdonji. B. Atmaram Pandarang, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Jyotiba Phule, Nauroji Furdonji. C. Atmaram Pandarang, Jyotiba Phule, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Nauroji Furdonji. D. Nauroji Furdonji, Atmaram Pandarang, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Jyotiba Phule. C.E. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. B. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? A. Atmaram Pandaranga. B. Tilak. C. Annie Besant. D. Rasbihari Ghosh. Ans. A. Who was the chief director of Prarthana Samaj in Maharashtra? A. R. G. Bhandarkar. B. M. G. Ranade. C. Pandit Ramabai. D. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Ans. B. Who among the following was the founder of Dev Samaj? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Dadabhai Nauroji. C. Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Ans. C. In 1873, who founded Satyashodhak Samaj? A. Gopal Krishan Gokhale. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Shivnath Shastri. D. None of the above. Ans. B. Who formed the Satyashodhak Samaj? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Keshavchand Sen. C. Pandita Ramabai. D. Jyotiba Phule. Ans. D. Who established Satyashodhak Samaj? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Santram. C. Jyotiba Phule. D. Bhaskar Rao Jadhav. Ans. C. Which one of the following was the author of Gulamgiri? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Periyar. Ans. B. Satyashodhak movement was launched by A. Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jyotiba Phule. D. T.N. Nair. Ans. C. Satyashodhak Samaj was founded by A. Dayanand Saraswati. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Gandhiji. D. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. B. Which of the following organizations was established by Mahatma Jyotiba Phule? A. Gopal Mandal. B. Shri Narayan Sabha. C. Satyashodhak Samaj. D. Mahajan Sabha. Ans. C. Whose main aim was to uplift the backward classes? A. Prarthana Samaj. B. Satyashodhak Samaj. C. Arya Samaj. D. Ramakrishna Mission. Ans. B. Satyashodhak Samaj organized A. A movement for upliftment of tribals in Bihar. B. A temple entry movement in Gujarat. C. An anti-caste movement in Maharashtra. D. A peasant movement in Punjab. Ans. C. The Bengali leader who opposed socio-religious reforms and supported orthodoxy was A. Radhakant Deb. B. Nemisadhan Bose. C. Hemchandra Bishwas. D. Hemchandra Da. Ans. A. Which of the above following was started in opposition to the religious, social ideas of Ram Mohan Roy? A. Digdarshan. B. Samachar Chandrika. C. Samvad Kaumudi. D. Bengal Gazette. Ans. B. Who was the founder of Radha Swami Satsang? A. Haridas Swami. B. Shivdyal Sahab. C. Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. D. Swami Shraddhananda. Ans. B. Which reformer of Maharashtra is also known as Lokahiwadi? A. M. G. Ranade. B. Gopal Krishan Gokhale. C. Pandit Ramabai. D. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Ans. D. Who was known by the nickname Lokahiwadi? A. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. B. Mahadev Govind Ranade. C. Jyotiba Phule. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Ans. A. The campaign for widow remarriage in Maharashtra was led by A. Vishnu Parashuram Pandit. B. B. M. Malabari. C. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Ans. A. The greatest Parsi social reformer of the 19th century was A. Sir Jamshedji. B. Sir Rustam Beramji. C. Nawalji Tata. D. Beramji M. Mallabari. Ans. D. In which year the Age of Consent Act was passed? A. 1856. B. 1891. C. 1881. D. 1905. Ans. B.